Tyrone of MLM Optimized Lead System, and welcome to my website. First of all, I just want to say it's not your fault. If you're failing in network marketing, it's not your fault. You've been fed the wrong information, and the tides have changed. The times have changed. Your upline may be good at calling leads, cold calling, prospecting in the supermarket, prospecting, putting flyers out, putting flyers on cars, having home meetings. Now, these are all great if you have the time and you don't mind spending the money and the resources that the limited resources you have each day to try to do that. But it's going to take you years to build your business this way. What I have today is a different solution. And I know there's a whole bunch of different training sites online right now, but what I have today is totally different. It's the first system that you can plug right into and brand yourself, where you get people calling and chasing you and you alone, and wanting to join and wanting to know what you're doing and what you're doing different. And not only do you set up a website for you, a branded website that has your information on there. If you want your video or your picture, it's talking about you, and it's putting you as the leader. And that's the main thing in this industry. You have to position yourself as a leader. You can't go around, if you're always prospecting and trying to get people into your business, you're kind of chasing them away. And if you're leading with your product, service, or your company, then you've already lost, because you're putting those things above you. Who you need to brand and who you need to market is yourself. And with my system and with my help, we can market you. We can put you out there where in a week or 2 weeks, we can have people chasing you and people opting into your list, and you building the list. And you've heard all the gurus, and this is what the gurus do. They build a list, and then they market to that list. And I've tried this before. Try to put a system together. Well, and if you don't have the right components, and if you have just bits and pieces, it's like having a puzzle with all the puzzle pieces, except for one's missing or two's missing. Well, with the system, we put all the puzzle pieces together so you can succeed, and so you can have the success that you desire. So if you don't want to miss out on this great opportunity, and you want to learn a little bit more information, and it's free, it doesn't cost you anything. Just go ahead and put in your name, email address at the bottom of this page. And I look forward to seeing you. I look forward to talking to you. And make sure you check your email box, because I'll be sending you a confirmation email. Hey, have a great day, and see you at the top.